Hello everyone, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to create an arch opening entryway in a wall. So first you're going to want to make a section. You don't have to, but I think this is just a little bit easier than doing the entire length of the wall. So just tap the wall that you want to make the arch in, click edit profile, and it's going to ask you which view you want to create the profile in. Edit the profile in. You can do that way, or you can just click the section and open it, and there's that wall right there. But if you are going to do that way, just click edit profile and just click the section. So now that you're in the editing mode, these are the borders of the wall, the pink lines. And so you're just going to click line, start at your floor, which I'm on level 2. So I'm going to make this 6 feet. And then I want the opening to be 4 feet wide, so you can draw a line 4 feet away. I'm just going to offset it and change this to 4. Boom. And I'm going to click the Start in Radius Arc tool right here. And I'm going to click this in, click that in, and go up, and it'll snap to a perfect arc. And now, since we're on the second floor, if I was on the first floor, I would just connect the bottom lines. But since we're on the second floor, you're literally just making an opening in that wall. So I'm going to click the regular line tool and just connect it like so. And I'm going to click check, and there you have it, an archway opening in the wall. And just to look at it in the plan view, here it is. And in the 3D view, there it is there, as you can see. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that this video was helpful for you. Thank you. God bless.